Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Rimsha Jamil and I am from BS Clinical Psychology Department. Today's our topic is on PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. What is PTSD? Basically, it is a psychiatric disorder that may occur in people who have experienced or witnesses a traumatic event such as natural disaster, a serious accident, a terrorist attack, war, combat or a rape, or who have been threatened with death, sexual violence or serious injury. Basically, it is a disorder that develops in some people who have experienced a shocking or dangerous events. Not everyone with PTSD has been through a dangerous event. Some experiences like the sudden and unexpected death of a loved one can cause PTSD. Second one is sign and symptoms. Diagnostic criteria of PTSD according to DSM-5. To be diagnosed with PTSD, an adult must have all of the following for at least 1 month. At least one re-experiencing symptom, such as flashbacks, revealing the trauma over and over, and bad dreams, etc. Second one is at least one avoidance symptom. For example, staying away from places, events, or objects that are reminder of the traumatic experiences. And the third one is at least two arousal and reactivity symptom. For example, feeling tense or on edge, having difficulty in sleeping, and having angry outbursts, etc. The last one is at least two cognition and mood symptoms. For example, negative thoughts about oneself or for the world, distorted thought and feelings like guilt or shame, etc. And the second one is treatment and therapies. First one is medication and the second one is psychotherapy. Medication. The most studied type of medication for treating PTSD are antidepressant, which may help to control PTSD symptoms such as sadness, worry, anger, and feeling numb inside. Other medication may be helpful for treating specific PTSD symptoms such as sleep problem and nightmares. Then second one is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy, also known as talk therapy, involves talking with a mental health professional to treat a mental illness. Psychotherapy can occur one-on-one or in a group talk. Talk therapy treatment for PTSD usually lasts 6 to 12 weeks, but it can last longer. According to the National Center for PTSD, about 7 or 8 out of every 100 people will experience PTSD at some point in their life. One helpful form of therapy is also known as cognitive behavior therapy, which includes exposure therapy and cognitive restructuring. Second one is cognitive model of PTSD. The cognitive model describes how people's thought and perception influence their life. Often distress can distort people's perception and that in turn can lead to unhealthy emotions and behaviors. These distorted beliefs influence their progress of information and give rise to their distorted thought. Thus, the cognitive model explains individual emotional, physiological, and behavioral responses as mediated by their behaviors, perception of experiences, which are influenced by their beliefs and characteristics. Now, here is a famous quote. Allow me to talk about my past without saying stop living in the past. A listening ear for the moment is all I need. And thank you so much for your time and concentration.